All right, so this is going to be a quick lesson about how to divide fractions. So when we divide fractions, we need to learn a new term. So our new term that we're learning is the word reciprocal. And a reciprocal is when we flip a fraction upside down. So the reciprocal of, let's do 2 fours would be 4 over 2. The reciprocal of 56 over 3 would be 3 over 56. So when I say we need the reciprocal of a fraction, all we're doing is just flipping it upside down. Okay, so let me make an example problem here. All right, when we want to divide, so let's just say we want to divide 6/12 divided by 3/4. So I need to change the second fraction into its reciprocal so that I can divide. So I'm going to change this into a multiplication problem. Whenever I use the reciprocal of this fraction, I'm changing it to a multiplication problem. So I can do 6/12 times 4/3. And so now we have to do 6 times 4, which we know is 24. And then we do 12 times 3, and that is 36. And so our answer for 6/12 divided by 3/4 is 24 over 36. Now we can simplify, and so let's just go ahead and do that. So I know 24 and 36 can go into 12. So I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 12, and I'm going to get 2/3. So this is my simplified answer. This is my answer that is not simplified. Let's do another one. Okay. Let's do 3/16 divided by 14 over 26. Okay, so I need to find the reciprocal of this fraction. So you only use the reciprocal of the second fraction. You keep the first fraction the same. So I'm going to change it into a multiplication problem so that I know how to solve it. And I'm using the reciprocal of this fraction. So I have 26 and 14. So now I need to multiply. So I have 3 times 26, and that gives me 78. And then I have 16 times 14, and that gives me 224. Now, I know that I can reduce this fraction, but I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm going to rewrite my original equation, which was 3/16 divided by 14/26, and that is equal to 78 over 224. So the main thing to remember when you are you can change your equation into a multiplication problem so that you know how to solve it. And you still do need to simplify your answers.